Now gurus and new, she slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with disastrous beauty.
Hey love bugs, it's your girl Disastrous Beauty coming back with the voiceover. So the unit I will be reviewing today was sent to me by Asteria hair. Shout out to you, Asteria, for sending me this unit, and shout out to y'all for this bonnet, honey. This bonnet was bae. Okay, they also sent me a bunch of these scarves, which are also really cute. Like, love them. Okay, so the unit I will be reviewing is their body wave unit. It's 20 inches long. It is a 5x5 HD lace closure wig, and it is 180% density. This unit does come with two combs in the front, one comb in the back with adjustable straps. And honey, look at the waves, girl. You can get sick in the waves. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys watch me style this wig. If you are interested in the details and specs and all that good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. And I will see you love bugs in the outro. Bye.
When I'm with you, went from lonely to falling in love, watching it all unfold. Yeah, I'm not scared of commitment, I'm just scared of doing something wrong. I don't wanna see you go, cause baby I got problems in me. Sometimes it gets hard for me to tell you how I feel. I'm afraid to show you what's underneath, cause I don't wanna let you down. Got a lot of demons up in my brain, got a lot of bad thoughts giving me pain. I'm afraid to show you what's underneath, cause I don't wanna let you down. Let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down. Let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down. Let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down. I don't wanna let you down. Early mornings in your bedroom, waking up with you by my side, looking so beautiful. Yeah, I got high when I met you, got me way up in the clouds, and I don't wanna go back. Cause baby I got problems in me. Sometimes it gets hard for me to tell you how I feel. I'm afraid to show you what's underneath, cause I don't wanna let you down. Got a lot of demons up in my brain, got a lot of bad thoughts giving me pain. I'm afraid to show you what's underneath, cause I don't wanna let you down. Let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down. Let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down. Let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down. I don't wanna let you down. Let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down. Let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down. Let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down. I don't wanna let you down. Cause baby I got problems in me. Sometimes it gets hard for me to tell you how I feel. I'm afraid to show you what's underneath, cause I don't wanna let you down. Got a lot of demons up in my brain, got a lot of bad thoughts giving me pain. I'm afraid to show you what's underneath, cause I don't wanna let you down. Let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down. Let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down. Let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down. I don't wanna let you down. I don't wanna let you down.
Come on over, let's pick up where we left off. You and I had lots of love just to top it off. We can wind and down for days, never let it stop. I just want your everything, baby. Maybe later we can dance, never let go. everything, baby. I'll be deep under your influence tonight. Ooh, keep it coming, babe. I don't mind another round. Drinking from your bottle, baby. Calling it wasted love, wasted love. I can't get enough of my baby. I'ma be wasted love, wasted love. I'm spilling liquor on the carpet, on the couch. I feel it dripping from my mouth. Drinking from your bottle, baby. Calling it wasted love, wasted love. Moon is rising and the stars are coming now. But we're missing 'cause we're way down on the ground. Ain't nobody interrupting if we decide. I just need a night with you, baby. Yeah. Then we be blinded by the lights, oh. We get this feeling, oh so right, oh. I'm so over being sober, yeah, all I know. I just need a night with you. Drinking from your bottle, baby. Calling it wasted love, wasted love. I can't get enough of my baby. I'ma be wasted love, wasted love.
Okay, y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and all the good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. All right, y'all, so this unit that I am rocking was sent to me by Asteria Hair. Shout out to you, Asteria, for sending me this unit. I really do appreciate it. Asteria is a company that I've been working with, like, since, you know, I first started being able to do sponsored content, and they have been rocking with me for years. So really, like, big shout outs to Asteria Hair. Okay, so the unit that I am rocking is their HD Lace Body Wave Frontal Wig. I do have it in 20 inches, and it's 180% density. Okay, so I ended up having to go on the site. They did send me a link, but that link is not working, so I am going to have to get them to give me another link. But I did go on their site, so I think I did find the right wig. This one says Body Wave HD Lace Wigs for Women. Oh, shout out to you for saying women, although it's not just women that wear wigs, but you know, whatever. Anyways, the lace sizes that they have is HD 13x4 and HD 13x6. If I'm not mistaken, they did send me the 13x4. The lengths that are available is 20 inches to 30 inches, and it's all even numbers, so 20 to 30. And they have densities 180% and 250%. So those are the densities that they have available. And I do, as I stated, have it in 180% density. And I'm trying to see if they have any other details. Okay, so they do have on here the cap size. Is 22.5 circumference universal cap size. So this is an average cap size. So as far as it having small, medium, and large, it does not. This is like a medium cap size. And the color is natural black, and it says lace color, invisible lace color blends in with all skins well. Okay, so those are all the details and specs that I see on the site. As I stated, this is a body wave unit, but I did curl it, as you guys should have seen in the earlier portion of this video. As far as shedding and tangling, I have not noticed any shedding so far. Like I always tell you guys, at some point I probably will, but so far I have not noticed any shedding, and there are no tangles straight out of the packaging. Now, as far as the lace color, this is a HD lace. Like, I really do like the HD laces. I feel like they look way better on me, because a lot of times when it's brown lace, it's a little bit too dark, and you know, you can just see the lace. No matter what I do, you can still pretty much see the lace. But when it comes to the HD lace, like, it's invisible. So I don't have that same problem. So it makes it really, really easy to sort of blend it in. And yeah, that was the case with this wig. Like, it literally didn't take as much work as it would when I'm trying to figure out how I can make a unit work with my complexion. But with the HD lace, honey, like I said, we don't have those issues. Now, I did also apply my Sephora Micro Smooth. The knots were pretty dark, in my opinion, and honey, your girl was not gonna bleach them. So what I ended up doing was I applied my foundation, and I set it with my Sephora Micro Smooth underneath the wig, and then on top I simply applied my Sephora Micro Smooth, as I always do. So that is what I did. As far as the wig being big head friendly, I definitely feel like this is a very standard medium cap size. Like, I don't feel like it's big head friendly. I feel like it is, if you wear a medium cap size, and they do have one now 22.5 circumference, like that's what it is. Like, that's how I feel about this particular unit. Do with that as you may. If you know your cap size, then you know whether or not you can wear it. So yeah, that is basically it as far as the details and specs go. I am going to give you guys a lint check when I do my full 360. Like, this is where it's coming to me right now. But when I do my full 360, I will stand up and let you guys see where this unit comes to me in the back. So if you are interested in that, as well as what I think about this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay, y'all. So honestly, I really like this wig. I was honestly a little underwhelmed with it when I initially took it out. And I was like, oh, girl, do you really want to do, another body wave? Blah, blah. I was a little underwhelmed. But once I put it on and the lace was just giving me what it was giving me, and I added my layers and my curls and just, Chrissy'd it up a little bit, I was like, okay, yes. Yes, girl, body wave is just your thing. You like a good body wave unit. Yeah, it does take a little bit more work, but you just, you need at least a couple of body wave units in your life, honey. So yeah, she is giving me what I want. Like, the lace is so nice, and I love just how effortless it was. I did have to tweeze this unit some, and I don't think it even say on the site that it's pre-tweezed, because it was pretty dense, and it's still a little dense, but I did have to tweeze it, and child, all that's mixed up. But I did get a good bit of hair out, just me tweezing it. And like I said, it could stand a little bit more, but honey, she was not finna do that because she ain't got time, girl. Okay, so as far as it being beginner friendly, not so much as when it comes to like tweezing and that sort of thing, especially if you're like, girl, I ain't got the time, I'm not finna do it. I understand, but the unit in itself, I feel like is gorgeous. The wave straight out of the packaging was just gorgeous to me. You guys know, whether or not I like the waves or not, I'm always gonna add some curls because I just feel like I need a little bit more boom, boom, boom. That's just who I am. But in general, the waves, honey, you could have got sick in them waves, girl. So yeah, I really, really love this unit. I think it is really, really nice. I love Asteria hair, honey. They always come through for me. So shout out to y'all. And yeah, that is basically it, honey. I am feeling it. She's a look, she's a vibe to me. I am definitely checking myself out, and I'm like, honey, is this gonna be V-Day hair? Like, I keep kind of going back and forth, like, what's gonna be V-Day hair? What's gonna be V-Day hair? Like, this is kind of giving me V-Day, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm feeling it. It's a vibe to me. Let me know down below what you guys think, and yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full 360 so we can wrap this thing off with. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. So yeah, let me know down below what you guys think. Are you feeling this unit as much as I'm feeling it? Let me know down below in the comments. And if you are interested in this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience, honey. And yeah, we're done, girl. We're done. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, something you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below, as well as just to say, hey girl, I love you, because I love you too. And if you're not already subscribed, just click that subscribe button. It ain't gonna cost you not one red cent. And if you're not already, follow me on all my social media platforms. I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and Facebook. I'm Health Miss Lee on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.